What's good, YouTube? It's your host, the infamous Jerez, here today. Oh, fuck. I'm just fucking tired. Let me get myself right.
You can say you're tired, bro. You can be like, hey.
We really out here trying to pump out these videos for y'all boys.
Out another video. I'm a little drained, but you know, be real with them.
What's good, YouTube? You're now tuning in to the Infamous World Network, and it's your host, the infamous Jerez, here today. Today we got another sneaker review. This sneaker I've had in my collection for a little while, but I've been trying to post more recent shoe videos. But without further ado, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to the page and you're into shoes, definitely subscribe. I try and make as much content as I can, so if you're into shoes, you definitely came to the right page. And ring the bell if you want to get notifications every time I upload a video. I've been trying to upload once a week, so you know, show love. Comment in the comment box. I'm always in the comment box. But without further ado, let's get right into the sneaker review. For today, we got the Air Jordan Off-White Sail 4. The official colorway for this shoe is Sail and Muslin White and Black. This shoe came out July 25th of 2020 for a retail price of $200. This shoe is nothing short of amazing. This is probably my favorite Off-White Jordan that has come out so far from Virgil. This shoe, I ended up picking this up in January at a sneaker show. I was on a hunt for this shoe and I got really lucky and I got it in my size. This shoe only came out in women's sizes. So if you got a huge foot, unfortunately you missed out. There's been a lot of rumors that they were gonna make this shoe in a men's size run. Now that it's been a couple months since the shoe came out, I'm starting to think that's not gonna happen. But this shoe is definitely one of the most well-built Jordans I've definitely got my hands on in quite some time. From the leather on the upper, like this leather on the upper is literally so soft that if you don't really get a good feel for it, you would probably think it was suede. And that sounds a little crazy to say, but like this leather is like premium. This shoe may have been $200, but like the way it's built, like they could have released this shoe at a $500 retail. It has this crazy deconstructed look on the front toe box. Like the deconstructed look is like literally so sick, and you can just tell it's well put together too. So like I think this shoe is really gonna stand the test of time. For a shoe that's mainly the same color, like this shoe is literally amazing. It has all these different hits of sail on it, but it's like slightly different tones to give the shoe a lot of life. The midsole for the shoe, it's like this translucent sail, and then like the regular sail paint with the sail paint in the white, with the classic Air in quotations Off-White branding. The outsole is sick as well. You have your regular sail. You have this beautiful minty hit right here, and then the minty Nike. The mint contrasts super good with the sail as well, which is dope. And this sail right here is translucent, which is amazing. It has the white air bubble right here, and the shoe also has these translucent tabs as well, which is amazing as well. On the inside of the shoe, which is really cool, they also have the Off-White branding with the Air Jordan 4. Beaverton, Oregon in 1989. This is actually the year the Air Jordan 4 came out, 1989, which is sick. This shoe comes with 4 different laces. It comes with a mint lace, a white lace, a black lace, and then it comes with the sail laces on it. Shoelace in quotations on all of them. Off-White, typical Off-White branding. The Jordan Jumpman on the front is obviously really dope too. It's kind of like black, but like the way it's like translucent over it is like so sick. Also, one of the coolest parts of the shoe is that it has no stitching along the ankle and sock liner. It having no stitching is really cool. Like it gives you this vibe that the shoe was released before it should have been, which is like, it sounds stupid, but like if I would have seen this shoe years ago, I would have thought that this was like an Air Jordan 4, like one step before they finished it, because like the shoe looks like it's still getting built, which is the coolest part. The deconstructed look for the Air Jordans that Virgil's been doing have been really sick, and he's really been pumping a lot of life into the shoe game, and me personally, I could really appreciate that. So big shout out to Virgil for everything he's doing for the shoe game. It got your typical Air Jordan on the inside of the tongue, upside down, which is good too. Has your black Nike Air hit on the inside. This shoe for me is a 10 out of 10. Lucas, what you think this shoe is? You think it's a 10 out of 10? Where would you put it on your scale?
It's probably a 10 out of 10. That's just clean.
Yeah.
I was looking at this other one too, the big Nike Air.
Yeah.
Bro, it's a pretty clean shoe.
This shoe, unfortunately, has been so hard to get for most people. So, you know, if you can get your hands on it and you're lucky, make sure to hold on to it. This shoe, it definitely seems like it's gonna be a dirt magnet, which is a little scary, but I don't beat up my shoes, so I think this shoe is gonna last. The shoe also comes with an off-white tab, pull tab, and also an off-white Jordan hang tag, which is really cool too. So, you know, they give you the full runaround on the shoe, which is amazing. This shoe for me is definitely a top five shoe that's came out in 2020. Without a doubt. I'm definitely gonna hold on to this in my collection for as long as I can. This shoe also has the clear netting, which is cool too. This shoe is I don't even know, man. This shoe is so nutty. You got the back Nike Air, translucent with the black hit on the back too. That's obviously really nice too. I gotta give it to Virgil. He really did his thing on these. These is nothing short of amazing. The box for the Off-White Air Jordan Cell 4 is like super sick too. It got all these little holes and all these little cutouts, and it's clear as well. This is definitely a really cool box, which is nice. Also on the inside of the box, it has all of this really cool translucent off-white branding, which is sick too. Has the Jumpman on it as well. The shoe also, the hang tag that's on it as well is amazing. It says Off-White Air Jordan on it, but it's like so freaking hard to see. So good luck seeing that. Also comes with this hang tag as well, which is really dope too. These shoes is like amazing, man. These is like a Pusha T Cocaine Cream 4, and like these is literally amazing. I can't wait to wear these. I still haven't worn these, but like I don't even know what the hell I'm gonna wear these with, to be honest. This is just literally too sick. I'm gonna have to really think about that outfit. Make sure in the comment box to let me know what's your thoughts on these shoes. Let me know what you rate the shoes. If you think they're an 8, a 6, a 10, let me know. Let me know if you think these is one of the best off-whites. I personally think these are the best off-white Jordans in my personal opinion. Yeah, if you don't think the same, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna definitely be in the comment box talking to you guys, showing love. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to follow my Instagram. It's _ Infamousworldnetwork. It should also be in the drop down bar for the video as well. Now, without further ado, we're gonna wrap this up. Show love, guys. Appreciate you all.